So in this video we'll start from question number 12 of exercise 4a. I have already completed 1 to 11 questions and the links I have shared in the description. Two videos I have made. In the first one I did 1 to 6 question and in the second video I did 7 to 11 questions. So if you haven't seen that video, you can check out those videos and then you can continue with this. So let's start with the 12th question without wasting any further time. So we can see here, if a square minus 3a plus 1 is equals to 0, find a plus 1 by a and a square plus 1 by a square. See, same things we have to find which we were finding in the previous questions, but the given expression is different now. Earlier it was given to us either either a plus 1 by a or a minus 1 by a, but now whole different thing is given. So what we have to do, see, when something like this is given to us, what we have to do, we have to divide this entire equation. See, this is equation because the sign of equality is there, so that means it is an equation. What we have to do, see, 1 by a we have is there in our given expression, so we can divide the entire equation by a. Only this thing is giving us hint that 1 by a is there. So if 1 by a is there, so let's divide, because 1 is there. So if I am dividing the whole equation by a, so 1 by a, this term I am getting. So like that we can start. Now see, a square, it is a into a into a by a minus 3a by a plus 1 by a is equals to 0 by a. See, this side also you have to show this thing, because whenever we make any change in an equation from our side, it should be on both the sides. It should not be on single side, it should be on both the sides, because if we make any change on both the sides, it will not make any difference to the given equation. So that's why we do this. Now this a and this a will get cancelled, this a and this a will get cancelled. Here 1 by a will remain as it is and 0 by a as it is. So only we are left with a here minus 3, because a and a already cancelled, so 3 into 1 is like 3, this is 1, this is 1. So in denominator no need to write anything. If nothing is written, that means it's understood it is 1, plus 1 by a as it is. 0 by anything is 0, because anything if we divide by 0 it will be 0. See, we need a plus 1 by a. So a and plus 1 by a will just keep on this side, because we only need this much. So this minus 3, see, along with the signs you have to take the numbers. This minus 3 I will shift to other side. So why I am shifting it to other side? Because I need only a plus 1 by a. See, that is why minus 3 I will shift on other side. So minus 3, on changing the side it will be changed to plus 3. So I can write it as 0 plus 3. So a plus 1 by a is equal to 0 plus 3 is 3. So I got the value of a plus 1 by a equals to 3. Now second part we have to find is a square plus 1 by a square. See, a square plus 1 by a square, where we can get? From first, it is a plus b form. So if we do its whole square, we will get this thing. So let's start by doing that only, because we now have the value of a plus b. b is 1 by a. So we'll start from here. A plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So this is the expansion. So where my a is a and b is 1 by a, b is 1 by a. So accordingly I will substitute a plus 1 by a whole square, because a plus b, a plus 1 by a. Only substitution I am doing. A is a, b is 1 by a square as it is, b square is 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. So I have just substituted the values of a and b here. So a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a is equals to 3. Just now we have found this value. So 3, this whole square as it is, we have to write a square plus 1 by a whole square is 1 by a square, because this square it is with 1 also and it is with a also. So I can write it as 1 square by a square, plus a and a will get cancelled and 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 square is 3 into 3. 3 we have to multiply by itself 2 times. So a square plus 1 by a. See, 1 square is 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So I have written it as 1 plus a square plus 2. 1 by a square plus 2. 3 into 3, 9. A square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Same thing we have to do. See, we need the value of a plus 1 by a square. Only this much we need. See. So remaining all the other terms, whatever it is there, you have to shift it to other side. So this plus 2 we can shift it to other side. So on changing the side, plus 2 it will be changed to minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is a square plus 1 by a square. So 9 minus 2 7, it equals to a square plus 1 by a square, which means a square plus 1 by a square is equals to 7. Now let's do the next question. 13th question, it is similar to the previous question. So they have given us a square minus 5a minus 1 is 0. We have to find a minus 1 by a plus 1 by a, and a square minus 1 by a square. So like I have told you, this 1 by a we need, minus 1 by a also and plus 1 by a also. So when this type of expression is given to us, so what we can do here, we can divide the entire equation. This is one equation, so entire equation we can divide by a. Now this 1 by a we have got, you can see. Now a square is a into a by a minus 5a by a minus 1 by a is equals to 0 by a. 1a will get cancelled, this a will also get cancelled. So minus 1 by a as it is equals to 0 by a as it is. So here we are only left with a, because a into 1 is a, minus again 5 into 1, 1 here we have done cancellation on 1, like on general numbers we do 2 by 2. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1, same way we have done cancellation. Minus 1 by a. 0 by a, it equals to 0, because any number if we divide by 0, so it will be equals to 0. Now we need, in first part if you see, it is a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a, because I need this one, so minus 5 I will shift to other side. Only this much I need. So I will keep this on this side and remaining term. So only minus 5 is there, so minus 5 I will shift to other side. Minus 5 on changing the side, it will be changed to plus 5. So a minus 1 by a is equals to 0 plus 5 is 5. So a minus 1 by a is equals to 5. Now second part is a plus 1 by a. See, for a plus 1 by a, we need a square plus 1 by a square, because we have to use the identity of whole square now, because it is like a plus b. So for that we need this. So what we can do, like we are doing in the previous questions also, we will do first whole square of this, because now we know the value of this. So once we do its whole square, we get this value. So let's start. So a minus 1 by a, I will do its whole square. See, this expression, if you see, it is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. It is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is a minus a plus 1 by a square minus 2 into a into b. See, my a is a and b is 1 by a. So in this identity a minus b whole square, I have just substituted the values of a and b, a as a and b as 1 by a. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus 1 by a minus 1 by a is 5, we have calculated the value. So I will substitute here 5 whole square, a square plus this 1 by a whole square, it is 1 square by a square. So 1 square is equals to 1, I have already told you. By a square I will write this a and this a will get cancelled, and 2 into 1 is 2. 5 square is 5 into 5 is equals to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So we need this, like I have already told you, this thing we need. So this 2 will shift to other side. So 5 into 5 is 25. When I shift this 2 to other side, this minus 2, it will be changed to plus 2. A square plus 1 by a square. So 25 plus 2 is 27. So a square plus 1 by a square is 27. So now we have got this value, we can find this one, a plus 1 by a square. So how to find this one? See, a plus form is given. A plus form is given, that means we have to use the identity of a plus b. A plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. A is a, I will write a is again a and b is 1 by a. So accordingly we will substitute the values, a as a, b as 1 by a whole square, a as a, b as 1 by a whole square plus 2 into a into b. A plus 1 by a we have to find, so as it is I will write a square plus 1 by a whole square is 1 by a square, because it is equals to 1 square by a square. So 1 square is 1, I have written, a square I have written. 2 and 2, a and a will get cancelled, so 2 into 1 is 2. So this value we have calculated just now, a square plus 1 by a square. A square plus 1 by a square, it is equals to 27. So I will write the value here 27, this plus 2 as it is. So a plus 1 by a whole square is equals to 27 plus 2. So 27 plus 2 is 29. And now we only need a plus 1 by a. Here it is whole square also. So whole square, when I shift to other side, it will be changed to square root and sign will be plus minus. Because if I do the square of plus root 29, it is equals to 29, and again if I do the square of minus root 29, it will also give us positive square. So that is why plus minus we take. So a plus 1 by a is equals to plus minus root 29. Now third thing is a square minus 1 by a square. So same identity we have to use. So a square minus b square. Here a is a and b is 1 by a. So a square minus b square, it's equals to a plus b into a minus b. We have used this identity in so many questions. So a square minus b square, a square minus b is 1 by a square. So I will write accordingly. A plus b. A plus b just now we have calculated, it is plus minus root 29. A minus b we calculated in the first part, it is 5. So here nothing is there, that means 1 is there. So a square minus 1 by a square. So numbers we can multiply, root we will write as it is. Plus minus 5 into 1, 5 root 29. So a square minus 1 by a square is equals to plus minus 5 root 29. Now let's do the next question. In 14th question it's given, if 3x plus 4y it's equal to 16 and xy means x into y is 4, find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. See what we have to do, don't think anything. Here 3x plus 4y is given. Two terms they are getting added. So I already told you when two terms they are getting in the form of addition, so we can use this identity, a plus b whole square. So from here itself we have to start. The identity is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. We just have to see the values of a. A is 3x here and b is 4y. So we'll start from this identity. I'll do the whole square of this. So it is 3x plus 4y whole square. A square, a is I have written 3x whole square plus b square, b is 4y plus 2 into a into b. I just have used the identity of a plus b whole square. So why I used this identity? Only because a plus b was given to me. That's why I used this identity. Now a plus b, it's already given to us 16. So I will just write 16. I'll substitute its value 16. 3x whole square is 3x into 3x plus 4y square, it is 4y into 4y. Plus these numbers we can multiply. 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24. X into y is xy. 16 square, it is 16 into 16. 3x into 3x, 3 into 3, 9. X into x, x square. Plus 4 into 4, 16. Y into y, y square plus 24. See xy, its value is given to us 4. So we'll write the value. This xy, when it is written next to 24 without any sign in between, that means it is getting multiplied with 24. So 24 into 4, because the value of xy is 4. 16 into 16, it is 256. 9x square plus 16y square plus 24, 4 into 4, 16, 8, 96. So 24 into 4 is 96. Now if you see this expression, you can see what we have to find. It is 9x square plus 16y square. Can you see something similar? Yes, that expression which we have to find, we have got 9x square plus 16y square. So we have to find its value. So what we can do here, this plus 96 will shift on other side. So only this much we will keep on this side. So 256 will shift this 96 on this side. So plus 96 will be changed to minus 96 is equals to 9x square plus 16y square. So this we can do the subtraction now. 6 minus 6, 0. It is 6, 160. So 9x square plus 16y square is equals to 160. Very simple, only one identity we have to use here and we can solve the value of 9x square plus 16y square. Now let's do the next question. In 15th question, it's given, see in all the previous questions some expressions were given to us and accordingly we were finding the required things. But here this story is given to us. See, whenever this statement is given to us, we have to convert. So it's in English language, we have to convert it into mathematical language and then we can solve. So it's written the number x is 2 more than number y. So we'll convert this into the language of maths. See number x, I will write x is this equal to 2 as it is more. More means plus than number y. So number y I will write. See this whole line I have just written in mathematical form. So it is x is 2 more than y. So that means x is equals to 2 plus y. So this is the meaning of first one. See this y will just shift it to other side. Why? Because these are like the variables, these numbers will shift to other side and only 2 will keep on one side. So this plus y, when we shift it to other side, it will be changed to minus. So x minus y is equals to 2. So this is first expression. See why we shifted, because in all the previous questions, if you remember, you can see all the given things were in the form of a plus b or a minus b. So that is why I just converted this onto similar form. So I converted it into the form of a minus b. So this thing I got. Now let's see what is given to us. So if the sum of the squares of x and y is 34. Sum means what? Plus sum of the squares of x and y. Squares is x square plus y square. Sum of the square I have written is equal to 34. So this thing is also given to us. Sum of the squares of x and y is 34. That means x square plus y square is 34. So these two. Now you can relate with the previous questions. Two things are given to us. And now what we have to find? Find the product of xy. Product is x into y, or we can write it as xy. So this xy we have to find. See, we have to start from the given thing. Given is a minus b form. So a minus b form, if it is given to us, we will use the identity of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, it is equal to a square plus b square minus 2 into ab. See, a is equals to x and b is equals to y. So accordingly I have to substitute the values. A minus b, I will write it as x minus y. Whole square I will write as it is. A square means x square, b square means y square, minus 2 into a is x, b is y. So I have substituted the values. See, this identities we have to mention in each and every question which one we are using. So that's why I have mentioned here in the form of a and b. So I have written here x minus y whole square minus x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now we can write the value. See, x minus y, it's given to us, x minus y is equals to 2. So we can substitute here x square plus y square. X square plus y square is also given to us. Its value is equals to 34. So we'll substitute here 34 minus 2xy. So this the value of xy we have to find. So this we will write as it is. 2 square is 2 into 2. 34 as it is minus 2xy. See, whatever we have to find, that we will keep on one side, remaining all the terms we will shift to other side. So xy we just have to keep. So remaining terms we have to shift 34 also, and we have to shift 2 also. So step by step we will start shifting. So first we will shift this 34. See, this is plus 34. See, you don't have to see that the numbers, they are going, the subtraction of numbers is taking place, but the thing is you have to see the sign also. So the sign with 34 is plus. So here first I will write 4 into 34 minus 2xy. So with 34 plus sign is there. So then on shifting it will be changed to minus 34. So on other side I am left with minus 2xy. Along with the sign you have to write the number. So plus minus minus, so 34 minus 4 is 30, minus 30, because plus minus minus, but the sign is which is with a greater number. So with greater number, which is 34, minus sign is there. So minus 30 is the answer, minus 2xy. So this 2 is getting multiplied by xy. This also we have shift to other side, because our main motive is to find the value of xy. So minus 30 by minus 2, because minus 2 is getting multiplied on this side. So on changing the side it will get divided. Minus and minus will get cancelled. 2 into 1, 2 into 15. So 15 by 1, 15 only I can write. So xy is equals to 15. Now let's do the next question. In 16th question it's given, the difference between two positive numbers is 5 and the sum of their squares is 73. Find the product of these numbers. See, this question is similar to previous. First we have to make the mathematical expressions, then only we can solve it. Here numbers are not given to us, like in the previous question it was mentioned already the numbers are x and y. So here we can assume the numbers. So let the two positive numbers, because the numbers are positive, so we can assume, let the two positive numbers be x and y. So x and y we have assumed. Now the difference between two positive numbers, so that means difference is given, so difference is subtraction. So that means x minus y is given to us is 5. Again difference means subtraction, difference of two numbers means x minus y means equal to 5 as it is I have written. The sum of their squares, that means x square plus y square is equals to 73. Find the product of the number. So product means x into y, that is xy we have to find. So these two things are given and this we have to find. So same way we have to start, x minus y if it is given to us. So we will use the identity of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, where my a is equals to x and b is equals to y. I will write here a is equals to x and b is equals to y. The identities everywhere you have to write, that is why I am writing in each and every question. Now I will substitute the value, so it is x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2 into x into y. Just I have substituted the values of a and b as x and y. So directly if you want, here also you can assume the numbers as a and b, no problem, but I have assumed it as x and y. So x minus y is 5, so I will write the value 5 square, x square plus y square, x square plus y square, it is also given to us. So I will substitute its value here, 73 minus 2xy. So x into y only we have to find. So 5 square is 5 into 5 is equals to 73 minus 2 into x into y. So this xy we have to find. So all the terms we have to shift to other side, 73 also, this 2 also. So this 73 plus 73 first we will shift it to other side. Plus 73 on changing the side, it will be changed to minus 73. So 25, 5 into 5, 25 minus 73 is equals to minus 2 into x into y. Don't ignore any signs here, along with the signs you have to write the numbers. So plus minus, it's addition of integers, addition or subtraction we can say. So plus 25 and minus 73 is there. So plus minus minus, so 73 minus 25, it is 48, and the sign which is with a greater number. So with greater number, which is 73, minus sign is there. So it is minus 48 minus 2 into x into y. See xy we need minus 2, which is getting multiplied by xy, this we have to shift to other side. So since it is getting multiplied, on changing the side it will get divided. So we can write minus 48 by minus 2 is equals to xy. Minus and minus sign will get cancelled, 2 into 1, 2 into 24. So xy or product of x and y is equals to 24. With this question we have completed exercise